Hello, in this video we are going to see how we can work with multiple windows and how to switch to between multiple windows. So let's create a test to test this scenario. So test close a window, form several open windows. Let's get driver and logo instance from nRoBo and add a doc string example of closing the window. Let's create page object at first and pass in driver and logger instance created automatically by nRoBo, and then in this example we will use this website and so let's open the URL. Then click on multiple windows link. So let's get the locator, href then href windows slash, let's search again, that is slash windows. So let's slash windows inverted comma n. So this is a unique locator to locate multiple windows link. So let's go here in the script and name it link multiple windows equals tuple started by.css selector value and click on it using the click method, pass in reference to locator and enter multiple windows. After clicking on the multiple windows link, this window opens, this page opens, and therein we have to click on click here link. So let's get its locator with those /new, and again this is a unique locator to locate click here link. So lnk click here equals inside tuple by.css selector and locator string, and then click on it. It opens a new tab and prints new window, and its title is new window. So we have two windows. First one with title the internet, and the internet, its title is the internet. So let's store its title the internet, main window title, and the tab window title is new window. So let's store it in a variable another window, and then title is new space window. It's character sensitive, case sensitive, so we have to make sure that we are entering a title as per expectation. So here we are closing. Click on new window link, and then it opens a new tab with title new window. So let's try to close the other window, that is new window. So currently we are on main window and we want to close the another window that opened in new tab. So we have to use close method and pass in another window title, that is new window. So let's use the close method with another window title and then wait for seconds, that is 10 seconds, and let's see the result. Let's run it and nRoBo key, test method name as key and run it. So here test started running. Browser instance one up, open the URL, click on multiple windows and click here link and you can see script closed